Hello everyone, we'll be taking the hairs from the sides like this in the very small section. Roll it like this. Now fix it on the back by tying it with the hair clips. Fix it and your hairstyle will be ready. Once again, you have to repeat the process like this in the same manner and fix it on the back. Tie it like this and it's done. So you can repeat the process for few more times and keep fixing the hairs in the same manner on the back like this. Or you can just tie it for the 2 times and it will look good. Even if you want to make, you can make more as such and it's done. Next, we'll be taking half section of the hairs on the back and tie it like this. Tie it and then put the rubber band to fix it. Now, after that, by fixing the hairs, we'll be tying the hairs from the between. So rotate it like this. So now after rotating it, take all the hairs and fix them under each other like this. Now after that, we'll be putting the rubber band over the hairs to make a ponytail and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be tying the hairs on the top like this by taking half section of the hairs and then fix it. Now take the hairs like this on the back and again fix it like this and make a ponytail. Now rotate the hairs. So now after rotating the hairs like this, we'll be fixing the hairs together and then divide it like this by tying it tightly. Put the hair clips and it's ready. Next, we'll be taking the hairs like this, tie half of the hairs as shown in the video. So now after tying it, put the rubber band and make a high ponytail. Now after that, make a high ponytail with the help of the half hairs like this and fix it. Now pull the hairs backward little bit or put the hairband and then we'll be making a bun like this by fixing the hairs in the half. So after rotating it, stretch it like this, fix it and then put the hair clips on the sides of it and your hairstyle is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching our video.